Hello and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how we can change our templates on our business page. Now first, go to your business page as you can see here, and then click Setting right here. Alright, you'll be brought into the settings and then click Templates and Tabs over here. Now I want to change my template that is suitable for my page, which is a business page. So I'm going to click Edit and find here, as you can see, the business template. Now once you've read the template and know that it's suitable for you, click Apply Template right here and click that. As you can see, it'll explain that your shop tab will be hidden and then a job tab will appear. Click OK and you're done. Go back. Now you've successfully changed your template to a business one. That's all for today. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.